Want to add a photo into your TikTok video? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you 2 ways to add pictures to a TikTok video. Now let's get started. There are 2 ways you can add photos to a TikTok video. The first and simplest way to add a photo is to upload it directly from your device. Begin creating a new TikTok by tapping the plus sign in the bottom menu. Now tap Upload. At the top, select Photos. If you tap All, you can select one of your specific albums of photos to pick from. Now select the photos you want to add into your TikTok video. They'll be added in the order you select them. When you're done selecting images to upload, tap Next at the bottom. Now you can edit your TikTok with text, filters, stickers, etc. Another way to add photos into a TikTok is using a green screen effect. This is a tad more complicated, but it makes it possible to record some of your TikTok using the app's camera while also mixing in pictures. To add a photo to a TikTok using green screen, begin creating a new TikTok by tapping the plus sign in the bottom menu. If you want to record some video first, you can do that as normal. To add a photo from your device, tap Effects. In the menu bar at the top of this window, scroll sideways and select Green Screen. There are several different green screen effects to choose from. If you want your image to be full screen without you showing in the video, select the one with the person waving their hand and a downwards arrow in the top left corner. Then select the photo you want to add into your TikTok. It will appear on your screen as a sticker overlay. You can adjust the size and placement by dragging it around your screen, or use 2 fingers to pinch or zoom to make it larger or smaller. When you're happy with the placement, tap the record button to record a clip with that photo in it. You can record another clip and pick a different image if you want to include another picture in your TikTok. You can also play around with other green screen effects if you want your picture to show up in a different way, such as using it as a background for your video with you in front, or cool transition effects. Those are 2 ways to add pictures to a TikTok. Check out our playlist of TikTok tutorials to learn more tricks to make the best TikTok videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.